to really send
Round
him
one
back.
is brought to you by IME Pay.
Thank you,
we-
IME Bay. Jenny with the fakes. He's trying to set up his shot or his punches. You see with that, like that lazy kick. He might just turn up the heat.
Janit is a mixed martial artist fighter, whereas Usman with his
That was a big overhand right and the takedown.
Straight into
Beautiful
side control.
job, straight into side control. Now he has to control the get up for the bottom person. Now look to mount him maybe where he can do more damage. And immediately Usman is up.
That knee's got to count, bro. Jenny felt that knee, I think, bro.
That will give him a lot of confidence that even if he
leg
was
kick.
down on the side control, he just got up in a flash with that underhook, man.
Those are good signs, no? What do you think, Chris?
100%. He looks confident, man.
He clipped the chin. He's right on his back, bro. Good job by Usman
He has
not
body
giving the
lock.
back.
Now he's pressing him against the cage. Now we have to see how Ashwin can work his right hand, get that underhook deep, and yes, he did that. He did that reversal which I was talking about. And now it's a jockeying for position battle which is happening over here.
The pace at which they are going is insane. It's hard to imagine this will go to all 3 rounds.
Small guys, good pace. That's
Those
why
two
we like
clean
small guys.
overhand rights.
Ooh,
Oh, once
good knee.
again, that right hand is
These
finding a
guys are
spot.
trading.
One,
Man, what a
Beautiful
outside
takedown.
trick,
That's
man.
the third takedown of the night by Janit Serchan.
Usman's got to get up, man.
Ashwin got to keep his calm, look to hip highs first, come onto a hand position, not recover guard, because that will get him ground and pounded more and more.
Trying
And
to get
an
up from the
underhook
back.
attempt.
Oh, he's getting up from the back. Beautiful
Working the
recovery
hard
again.
guard, gets up.
Oi. Oh my God, what a takedown, bro.
Full control right now. Zenith is stuck on the bottom.
This is a bad place for Jenny to be, man.
taking some punishment, man. He's taking some
What does
punishment.
he need to do to get out from this position?
He needs to give up the turtle position and get up onto the top with his head low and hips high. If he stays facing him or he tries to just sit up, it is going to be very difficult from here. Because Ashwin has a near side underhook. Now he made it across face. There's still a possibility to get out, but he has to free his right hand from underneath.
Has been showing good calmness in his position. He's not rushing right now.
Yes.
There's no need to rush. There's better part of like 30 seconds left.
Just grind him out. Just make him tired a little bit. As Khabib is known for. He's putting him into the half guard, which is a good sign. But it is also giving him
He's got that lock, man. He's got the wrist right on.
Dagestani cuff.
He's got to finish.
There it is.
He's got to go for that.
The face is exposed.
Just under 15 seconds remaining in round number 1.
These guys are putting it all on the line, man. Jenny's got to build his head up, man. I don't like that position.
Yeah,
where
this
his
is a
head
very low position. He can get kneed right. Oh, okay, amateur does not have the knees
no
to the face.
knees to the face, though.
Right.
What a round.
What a round, what a round.
Referee has to really scrape them off each other, man.
Holy cow, man.
Who do
Holy
you
cow.
do, Ben? How do you judge that?
Keep chopping that
Round 2 is brought to you by Siddhartha Premier Insurance.
Round 2 of this exciting second fight of the night.
leg. Started with calf kick straight up. This guy looking to trade strikes.
Zenith has his right hand loaded up, man. That right hand comes like a hammer over the top of the head.
He caught Usman twice, proper.
Oh.
That outside trip.
Once
Jenny-
again, that outside Kosoto hook.
That's what it's called, Kosoto hook. I
Kosoto
call it like
hook.
outside single trip. Is that wrong?
Yeah, that's the wrestling and judo terminology, bro. And right now, against the cage again,
This
right
knee to the bodies, bro. There's always right there. See, he's gonna come.
he's doing a great. Oh, he was saying something. He was saying.
I think he's
talking to the
complaining
ref.
a groin shot, but I don't think the referee was happy with that complaint. He was like,
Oh, that was another
asked him
groin
to
shot.
carry.
That was a groin shot. I saw that from this angle.
But that's why you need to protect yourself at all times.
Yeah, don't look at the ref. Let the ref call the stoppage, man. And here is a single leg now. He's trying to play between the upper body underhook and the single leg. Right now, Ashwin is doing a good job controlling that wrist. He gets that elbow inside and escapes. Good job.
This guy's deciding to send her up again. Usman needs to move away from the
Yes,
cage.
he
bro.
needs to move up again.
recognize that the cage at this point is not his friend, man. Zenith is using it wisely to pin him and change, throw some knees to the body, and gas him out.
What Zenith is doing great in striking, he's just moving outside the range. Whenever Ashwin throws, look at that. He's just moving outside the range. And then whenever he's ready for his own shot, he goes for a takedown just like that. But I can see some fatigue, which is trying to overpower Zenith. We'll see if he can go like this all 3 rounds.
It's a matter of experience for these two gentlemen as well. It's their first time under these lights, under these in LOD, you know, the biggest
The best venue in
we
Nepal.
can get in Nepal right now. That's a beautiful level change drop. Zenith just to make this
ran him
count.
through
Bro.
and immediately he's onto the mount position.
He's got to make this count, bro.
Ashwin is in a bad position right now. He needs to have some urgency. Bridge, give up the back, try to escape. That underhook and the trap and roll might work if he is able to trap the hand, but he needs to urgently get out of here.
Bro, Ashwin's giving up the back, like you said, but Zenith's keeping him tight. He does not.
Right, he's on the
He's
hard
using
mat.
the cage intelligently.
Oh, he gets out. Beautiful job. This is the position.
What a reversal by Azbin Chetri.
Bro, I
This
think
is-
Zenith is tired, man.
I
Zenith
think
is
he's
tired.
tired, yep.
His takedowns are looking a little wavered, and now he's feeling the pressure.
I totally agree with you.
Is he
bro.
setting up a choke right now? No.
He's giving up the back.
Oh, those are some hard shots
It's
from
like
the
30
turtle.
seconds, man. If Ashwin can like unleash some like heavy bombs, I think the referee might just stop it, you know.
Yeah, he has to control that wrist. He has
Having
to do
said that,
Pakistani
Ashwin is
right.
tired too. Ashwin is tired too. Don't
Yes, man.
those takedowns, trying to work your way up.
He's controlling the wrist. We cannot see it directly from here, but I think that he is controlling the far wrist, and that is what is allowing him to
10
give him
seconds.
clean shots to the face.
This second round looked exactly like the first round too, bro. With Zenith starting like Zenith
All
doing
right.
the better part of the round, but us with the Warrior series together, and this all played out through way
Nepal
of
Warrior
knockout
series.
system. Yeah, breathing heavily from his
Yes.
mouth, man. Ashwin has been calmer.
Which is more higher altitude, Kathmandu or Pokhara?
Pokhara, yes. I might be wrong, but I think so, Pokhara, bro. I'll have to look it up, man. Don't quote me on that.
Zenith is doing a really good job of moving outside the range, man. I'm really impressed. He's done that
Goes
all
high
night.
with Azbin.
And again a clean right hand. He's trying to close the distance, but Ashwin says, bring it on.
Man, that punch landed, bro. It landed. Oof.
Landed clean.
Oish. That head kick, hiding the kick behind
Oh,
that
shins
punch.
clash. Even though they have the shin pads on, that has to hurt, bro.
Bro, this shin pad's just for the namesake, bro. It's very thin.
Oh, once again with the right hand. He just
Zenith
does
looks
that.
sharp with his hands.
He's doing that pull every single time like Sean O'Malley, and that's another takedown attempt.
But a good defense this time.
Good defense. He got that underhook in time. He's blocking his knee, but he's getting pushed against the cage. So he needs to again work his cage defense. I think last time he did a fantastic job of bringing his elbow inside.
Level
This
change.
Level change to a single leg. He needs to push his head down and just knee slip out of the position, the limp leg.
In this case, he needs to get up, right? He needs to pull him up, right?
Right, he needs to pull him up, make it a body lock battle, or just insert an elbow wedge, try to create a frame like we saw in the Leon Edwards fight, if you remember, against Colby Covington.
Yep, 100%. That was a beautiful time where we saw cage fighting, man. Leon versus Colby. Even, foot stomps,
Foot stomps, that's some. Oh! Ashwin got carried away. He was trying to foot stamp the aggressor, and he got leg tripped instead.
And Zenith is smothering Azbin right now.
Now they're into the close guard position. This is a bad position to be stuck against the cage, bro, because now he cannot move his hips so wisely, and he can get pounded from the top. And even if he doesn't do anything, he's winning the round by staying in this position.
100%, bro. Nicely said, Piyush. In this case, like it's like your mind job to educate our Nepalese people watching.
100%,
the show
100%.
today
He's-
to understand, recognize these positions.
He's doing a good job from the bottom using those butterfly hooks, which will cause the elevation of the hips, but he has to get double butterfly hooks. The single butterfly hook will
I
not
think
do
Ashwin can
much.
sneak out from there, bro, from the back door right now. If he just shrimps out a little more. Nah, Zenith squared up his hips.
Yeah, Zenith is right in the close guard. He's controlling his hips over here, trying to just smother him, keeping his head crunched against the mat. And you can see right now Ashwin is trying to hipscape, but his hips are locked in that position.
20
Just-
seconds.
20 seconds remain in the last and final round.
If Ashwin manages to stay on top, man, it can go his way. I feel like that. What do you think?
You mean Zenith, man?
Zenith. I'm
Yeah,
sorry.
I think so too, bro. Like 10 seconds. This guy needs to throw it all there, bro.
He has to get up last 10 seconds or do a submission attempt, a Hail Mary if you may. Zenith pounding on top, and that
What
brings...
a fight! What a fight!
What a fight, bro. To conclude the Nepal World Championship flyweight category. Really good display of heart and skill by both of these gentlemen, man. I'm really proud of them.
Man, and they're super young as well, so imagine what they'll become in 3 years
Bro,
from now,
they're
man.
teenagers, bro. The teenagers.
We have your winner by unanimous decision from the red corner,
that's a fair one. That's a fair one. I think I would edge it out to Janet too.
Yeah, he hurt him on the feet and then he took him down multiple times. Yes, he got reversed. He's climbing on the cage now, enjoying, savoring the moment. I told you guys, this is the launching of a superstar for the future.